Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. My beloved brothers and sisters, today we are going to speak about something very simple, something many people ignore every single day. Tiny creatures, small insects, things we often crush without thinking. But have you ever wondered why Allah created every creature with wisdom? Nothing in this dunya exists without purpose. Now let me make something very clear before we begin. Wealth does not come from insects. Rizq comes only from Allah. Only Allah opens doors. Only Allah gives barakah. But sometimes Allah sends reminders through His creation. Sometimes the smallest things teach the biggest lessons. Many people want money, success, peace in the home, but they forget mercy. They forget gratitude. They forget cleanliness. They forget patience. And when these qualities disappear, barakah disappears too. Today we will talk about 3 insects that should remind you of blessings, patience, and the mercy of Allah. If you see them, do not immediately react with anger and destruction. Reflect first, learn the lesson behind them. The first insect is the ant, subhanallah. Look at the ant, tiny creature, weak in size but powerful in discipline. Ants work together. Ants prepare for the future. Ants never sit lazily waiting for food to fall from the sky. They move constantly. They struggle constantly. Many people spend their entire lives chasing wealth, believing that money alone will solve every problem they face. They wake up stressed, sleep worried, and constantly compare their lives to others. But one of the greatest lessons a believer must understand is that rizq comes only from Allah. No person can stop what Allah wants to give you, and no person can give you what Allah has not written for you. This understanding changes the heart completely. It removes fear, jealousy, and desperation. It teaches contentment while still encouraging effort and hard work. Sometimes people become trapped in superstitions. They start believing that certain objects, animals, or signs control their wealth or destiny. Islam teaches balance. We understand that Allah may place reminders and wisdom in His creation, but nothing in creation has independent power. The one who controls wealth, success, opportunities, and blessings is Allah alone. When this belief becomes firm inside the heart, a person stops worshipping money and starts worshipping the creator of money. Rizq is not limited to cash or possessions. Many people are financially rich but emotionally broken. They have large homes but no peace inside them. They eat expensive food but cannot sleep peacefully at night. True rizq includes health, peace of mind, good family relationships, safety, strong faith, halal income, and contentment. A calm heart is a blessing. A loving family is a blessing. Children who respect you are a blessing. The ability to pray comfortably is a blessing. These are forms of wealth many people ignore until they lose them. Allah sometimes delays wealth not because He hates you, but because He is teaching you patience, dependence, and sincerity. There are moments when a person makes dua for years before doors finally open. During that waiting period, Allah shapes the heart, strengthens faith, and teaches lessons that money alone could never teach. The believer understands that every delay has wisdom behind it. Trusting Allah does not mean sitting lazily and waiting for miracles. Islam encourages effort. You work hard, seek halal income, improve yourself, and remain honest in your dealings. But after all your effort, you place your trust in Allah instead of becoming consumed by anxiety. You understand that your future is in His hands. This brings peace even during difficult times. Many homes lose barakah because people focus only on earning more while forgetting gratitude. Complaining becomes constant. Family members stop appreciating each other. People become harsh, impatient, and angry. But gratitude increases blessings. The one who thanks Allah for small things often finds greater doors opening unexpectedly. A grateful heart attracts barakah. Mercy also plays a huge role in receiving Allah's blessings. When a person is kind to others, helpful to the poor, respectful to parents, and gentle with creation, Allah places softness and goodness in their life. Wealth without mercy becomes a test instead of a blessing. That is why believers should constantly purify their hearts while seeking success in this dunya. At the end of the day, every believer must remember this powerful truth. Your sustenance was written before you were born. What is meant for you will never miss you, and what misses you was never meant for you. So work hard, stay grateful, avoid haram, trust Allah completely, and know that true richness begins inside the heart before it appears in the hands. The ant may be one of the smallest creatures on earth, yet it carries some of the greatest lessons for human beings. When people observe ants carefully, They see discipline, teamwork, patience, planning, and non-stop effort. These tiny creatures do not waste time complaining or waiting helplessly for things to happen. They move with purpose. They prepare for the future. They work together to survive. This is a powerful reminder for anyone seeking success, stability, and barakah in life. One of the biggest problems today is laziness mixed with unrealistic expectations. Many people want wealth without sacrifice, success without patience, and results without consistency. They dream constantly but avoid the hard work needed to change their situation. The ant teaches the opposite lesson. Every small step matters. Every effort counts. Even though ants are tiny, they accomplish incredible things because they remain focused and persistent. Discipline is one of the keys to long-term success. A disciplined person wakes up with purpose, manages time wisely, and stays committed even when motivation disappears. Ants do not stop because conditions become difficult. They continue searching, carrying, climbing, and building. Human beings often quit too early. One failure destroys their confidence. One rejection makes them stop trying. But the ant reminds us that persistence creates results over time. Preparation is another important lesson. Ants gather food before difficult seasons arrive. They understand the value of preparing ahead instead of waiting for crisis to come. In life, many people suffer because they only think about today. They spend carelessly, ignore responsibilities, and fail to plan for the future. Wise people prepare financially, emotionally, and spiritually. They save money responsibly, improve their skills, and strengthen their relationship with Allah before hardship arrives. Teamwork is also a beautiful quality seen in ants. They support each other and work together toward a shared goal. A family that works together becomes stronger. A community that helps one another grows healthier. Unfortunately, modern life has made many people selfish and isolated. Everyone wants personal success while ignoring the struggles of others. The ant teaches unity and cooperation. Success becomes easier when people support each other with honesty and kindness. The story of the ant mentioned in the Quran also shows intelligence and awareness. Even a tiny creature recognized danger and warned the others. This reminds believers to stay aware of harmful influences, negative environments, and destructive habits. A wise person protects themselves and their family from anything that can damage faith, peace, or character. Another lesson from ants is humility. Despite their organization and strength, ants remain tiny creatures. Human beings often become arrogant after gaining a little money or success. Pride destroys relationships and removes barakah. Humility keeps the heart soft and grateful. A humble person continues learning, improving, and respecting others regardless of status. Patience is deeply connected to achievement. Ants carry loads much larger than themselves and continue moving despite obstacles. Similarly, people face emotional struggles, financial difficulties, and painful delays. Those who remain patient while continuing to work eventually grow stronger. Allah rewards consistent effort, even when results are not immediate. The ant reminds believers that greatness is not always loud or visible. Sometimes success is built quietly through daily discipline, small improvements, sincere effort, and trust in Allah. A person who develops patience, teamwork, preparation, humility, and persistence will eventually see positive change in both dunya and akhirah. Small, consistent actions, when done sincerely, can transform an entire life over time. The bee is one of the most remarkable creations of Allah, carrying deep lessons about purpose, productivity, and positivity. When we observe bees, we see a system built on discipline, cooperation, and constant benefit to others. A bee does not waste its life in destruction or negativity. Wherever it goes, it produces something valuable. From flowers, it gathers nectar and transforms it into honey, a substance described as healing for humanity. This process itself is a reminder that true success is not only about taking, but also about giving something beneficial back to the world. One of the most powerful lessons from the bee is the importance of being beneficial to others. A believer is encouraged to leave a positive impact wherever they go. Just like a bee spreads sweetness, a good character spreads kindness, peace, and hope. Words have power. A gentle word can heal a broken heart, while harsh words can destroy relationships. The bee teaches us to choose sweetness in speech, actions, and behavior. A person who constantly brings positivity into their home, workplace, and community becomes a source of barakah. Another lesson is productivity. Bees are constantly working, moving from flower to flower without wasting time. They are focused on their purpose. In contrast, many people today struggle with distraction. Hours are spent on things that bring no benefit, while important responsibilities are delayed. The bee reminds us that time is valuable. Every moment can either be used for growth or wasted in negligence. A productive life is one that balances effort in dunya with preparation for akhirah. The bee also symbolizes cooperation and structure.